Hi, I'm Bo Frick with ReImagine Builders, and I'm here to discuss basement development pricing. When we started making basements in 2011, we advertised a starting price of $17,500 for a basement package with no bathroom. Man, those days seem like a long time ago now. Sadly, even the days of basements in the high 20,000s to low 30,000s are gone. Since day one, we have strived to be as efficient as possible and keep costs down for our clients. What has changed dramatically in recent years are our costs. The costs have really come at us from every angle. Materials are up across the board. It started with the well-publicized lumber increases. Our average lumber package went from around $600 for an average basement all the way up to $2,400 and now hovers around $2,000. The lumber costs are substantial, but only a drop in the bucket for a full basement project. Wire, drywall, glass, and flooring have all increased dramatically. High fuel prices have not only impacted the cost of our employees driving around the city, but have also driven up the shipping costs on fixtures and things like vinyl flooring and countertops. Beyond material costs, labor has shot up dramatically. We've always aimed to keep the best trades possible. We pay them fairly and earn their loyalty by providing a great deal of work and by paying them much more quickly than other companies do. All that said, the price of keeping top quality trades has gone up dramatically across the board. Adding to this pressure, the building boom in BC has led to many of our best trades leaving to work there and has driven wages up here as a result. So getting that all out of the way, the new reality is that an average basement development is going to start right around $40,000 for around 600 square feet of development with 8-foot ceilings. That would typically get you basic finishing for a living room, bedroom, and bathroom. From there are a lot of features that will add to that cost, such as fireplaces, built-in cabinetry, wet bars, egress windows, home theaters, and more. Of course, like most things, the sky is the limit for what you can customize and ultimately spend. A slightly larger basement of around 800 square feet with 9-foot ceilings and a large wet bar can come in at around $70,000, while a very large basement with all the bells and whistles can easily come in at $100,000 or more. We are always happy to provide a free on-site quote, and our designers are trained to educate you on as many options as possible so you can know what you are paying for and make the right choices for your home. We do always try to be as efficient as possible and keep costs down, but the new reality is that pricing is generally much more fluid than it has been in the past. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions or feedback for our channel, and please do take a moment to like and subscribe. Also, if you need a quote done on your basement project, please visit our website, reimaginebuilders.com, and click Get a Quote so we can get started today.